Now I'm going to show you how you easily can search and find your instruments and create your own unique list where you see just the right information for you. So we're starting on the home page and we're going to go into the instruments module and then instrument list. Here you will see a matrix containing a lot of different instruments with different columns. Let's say that you want to just find thermometers or thermo instruments. Then you can easily go into the search function and then here at the description search for thermo. A great tip here is that you can use a percentage symbol as a wildcard. So we'll search for everything that starts with thermo and then it can populate the rest with any type of letter. So now we searched and find different thermometers and other types of instruments. Let's say we want to narrow this down even more by just looking at those instruments that's due for calibration during 2024. We can easily do that by clicking here that the next calibration date is to 2024 12/31 and click search. Now we narrow the down search even more. And in this list, you can just click at any type of the columns and it will sort A to Z. So let's say that you created a list view that you want to save for later. Well, that's great because you have this functionality in Metech Instrument Organizer. So to save your particular search queries, you click here on the edit button and then you're able to name your own list view. So I'm gonna name this Thermo 2024. Here you're also able to change what columns you will see in the list. So let's say that you're not interested to see the service status, who's responsible for instrument or internal account. Then you can remove those columns by clicking on them and taking them to the left. And let's say that you instead want to add some other type of instrument information. For example, you want to add the range of the instrument. Then you can do that by clicking here on the available columns and moving it to right. When you're happy with the list, just click Save as New. Then you will have created your own unique list that is saved just for your user account. And it's really easy to switch between your own views by clicking here on the drop-down menu. Here you can see all your previously saved unique views, but also some of the standards one that we made for you, so it's really easy to find the information that you want to see. And when you're in the instrument list and you want to see more detailed information about the instrument, you can always click on the MIO ID to get the details of a particular instrument. So that was a short rundown of how you can search and find your instruments and create your own unique list.